Hello, Brigitte Playground here. This is Inkscape. Now, this software is open source, so it's free to download, free to use. You get some vectors, and you can make this kind of stuff. Um, let's jump over to the PDF, and I'll show you. So this is Animal Phonics, the ocean. All right, so we have our thank you page. We have our terms of use, our title page, and we jump into the cut and paste. Right, so we have our animals. The lines have all been softened. So I made sure that it's going to be easy to cut these out. All right, now we have our silhouettes and our animal names. All right, so we've got the silhouette. We can match the animal with the silhouette and then practice reading the names. Now you'll see that there are some special characters, right? Now I put these together and special characters because these are combination sounds. And I wanted to highlight how when letters come together, they change their sounds. Now there's single letter sounds wherever they don't change. But the goal is to have the learner see these sounds and recognize them in other words and understand how those sounds come together. Right? That this is not a single letter sound if it's beside the H. That makes a different sound. We come down here and we have the animal name. So we've got the animal, we've got blank spaces, the single letter sounds. So the learner is going to take these bubbles and they're going to try to find their missing sounds. Now we have the Animal Phonics scramble, right? So now we got all the letters available. The animal, we just got to sort out how we're going to spell that. What are the sounds and how do we put those letters together? Now we got coloring pages, but we're still practicing. We're still practicing the words, we're still practicing the sounds. Now we have ocean scenes, right? Now we're still practicing, right? We're still practicing recognizing the animal. How do we spell that animal name? What is that animal, right? Now I made all of this in Inkscape. So we have our make our own ocean scenes, right? So you've got a couple of ocean scenes here, some animals to cut out, put in those ocean scenes. These are the animals we're learning, some black and white. Again, black and white. So the learner can color their own. They can mix and match however they want to. So now we have the make your own flashcards, and I always put pre-made flashcards at the end. Right, so this is very flexible. Here's some examples of how you could put it together. Right, so we have some suggestions and some information and optional activity sets that you can make with this. You have your ocean background, black and white. Now this is the template. This is your flashcard template where you're going to put everything. Also in black and white. All right, now you have your animals, your animal name, and the writing space. Black and white. Here's some extra background, some little square bubbles. Also black and white. Here's the completed flashcards, right? Black and white. All right. Remember, smart is in the learning, knowing is in the practice, wisdom is in the habits we carry.